Acid reflux and apple cider vinegar. Is apple cider vinegar good for heartburn and acid reflux? In this video, you're about to discover how to treat acid reflux from taking apple cider vinegar. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid flows upward. This produces a sour taste in the mouth as well as a burning sensation in the chest. Crushed apples are typically used to make apple cider vinegar. To ferment the liquid, bacteria and yeast are added. Because of the alcohol level, the drink initially looks hard on apple cider. Further fermentation converts the alcohol to vinegar. Both organic and raw apple cider vinegar is allowed to naturally ferment. These liquids are unfiltered and have a brownish, cloudy appearance. Non-organic apple cider vinegar is pasteurized and the mother of apple is removed. The mother is considered to be high in enzymes, proteins, and pectin. As a result, when it comes to treating health issues like acid reflux, organic types are regarded the gold standard. You can try apple cider vinegar to alleviate acid reflux symptoms, but there is no assurance that it will work. This home treatment is claimed to help regulate your stomach pH by neutralizing stomach acid. It should be diluted with water. This should alleviate any burning feeling induced by the vinegar's acid. Diluting it with water may also help to keep the acid from damaging your teeth enamel. If possible, sip it using a straw to avoid this. The flavor of apple cider vinegar is often described as harsh or sour by many individuals. To flavor, you may try adding honey to the solution. Enjoying the video? Feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, and share it with your friends. There are 5 lifestyle changes that might help you minimize acid reflux symptoms. 1. Getting to a healthy weight. According to the findings of many research, those who are overweight or obese are more likely to suffer from acid reflux. This might be related to increased stomach pressure, which could force acid up into the food pipe. 2. Avoiding the usage of cigarettes. Smoking leads to acid reflux by relaxing the muscle between the esophagus and stomach. As a result, the acid level rises. 3. Raise the head of the bed. The International Foundation for Gastrointestinal Disorders recommends that persons suffering from acid reflux elevate the head of their mattresses using blocks or wedges. Gravity can help manage reflux. 4. Wearing loose clothing. Tight clothes, particularly around the stomach, might cause acid from the stomach to enter the food pipe. 5. Practice healthy eating habits. Eat slowly and in small portions to promote good digestion. Avoid lying down when eating or within 3 hours following a meal. For more informative videos, subscribe and press the notification bell icon to keep up to date with all of our upcoming videos.